Welcome to Bruno Learn English.
Let's learn!
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher! Bruno is happy today.
Today we learn new English words. This is an apple.
Apple is red. I like apples.
Very good, Tarin. We drink water.
I drink water. Water is good.
Yes, water is healthy. This is mother. This is father.
You are my teacher.
Yes, that's right. We are friends. Yes, we are. We walk together. I walk with Bruno.
We walk slowly.
Good speaking. Sit down, please.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I am hungry.
I am hungry too.
Let's eat together. Woo! Say please.
Please, Apple. Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome.
Let's play. I play with Bruno. I play with friends. Good job.
Say, I like apples.
I like apples. I like water.
Very good.
Bruno is thirsty. Drink water, Bruno. You are kind.
What is this?
Apple!
Who am I?
Teacher!
Tomorrow, new English adventure. I am ready.
Let's go again.
See you soon. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, teacher.
Woof! Goodbye!